Welcome to our comparison of two popular dash cams, the REDTIGER-7NP and the ROVE R2-4K. Both of these cameras offer impressive features for vehicle surveillance, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into the details. Both the REDTIGER-7NP and the ROVE R2-4K offer 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. This ensures high-quality footage for both daytime and nighttime driving, making them suitable for capturing important details in various conditions. When it comes to storage, the ROVE R2-4K comes with a generous 128GB micro SD card, allowing for more footage to be recorded before needing to overwrite. In contrast, the REDTIGER-7NP includes a 32GB card, which may require more frequent management of recorded files. The ROVE R2-4K features ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for quick downloads of video footage directly to your smartphone. This is a significant advantage over the REDTIGER-F7NP, which has standard Wi-Fi connectivity, resulting in slower transfer speeds. In conclusion, both dash cams offer excellent features, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize storage and fast Wi-Fi downloads, the ROVE R2-4K may be the better option. However, if you're looking for a more affordable choice with solid video quality, the REDTIGER-F7NP is a great pick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.